Apple has long been the subject of intense speculation regarding the design of its flagship Pro iPhone models. For many months, there has been considerable discussion among analysts and industry experts about the Pro iPhones for this year. Some have wondered whether Apple would opt for a radical departure from previous designs or simply play it safe by retaining a familiar look. The emerging evidence indicates that the answer lies somewhere in between. The new iPhone 17 Pro appears to be a device that is radically different in appearance, yet remains grounded in familiar elements. Exclusive features on this model set it apart, establishing a clear distinction between the Pro models and the standard devices in the lineup. In the new generation, there is a pronounced separation between the Pro iPhones and the non-Pro iPhones. In previous years, this gap was defined primarily by the number of cameras and subtle changes in the overall design. This time, however, the differences are more extensive, positioning the Pro models in an entirely distinct category. At the forefront of these changes is the new camera design. For many years, the Pro iPhones have featured a triple camera system arranged in a triangular configuration. In the iPhone 17 Pro, this well-known setup is retained, but its housing has undergone a complete transformation. The camera module is now integrated into a camera visor crafted from black glass that extends across the entire top portion of the device. Unlike previous designs where the camera bump was situated in the top left corner, this new visor is centered on the rear of the phone. Components such as the flash, the laser, or LR, and the microphone have been repositioned to the far right, leaving the central area of the visor completely blank. This innovative arrangement is not merely an aesthetic choice. It is intended to enable new camera functionality that has not been possible with earlier designs. The revised camera system on the iPhone 17 Pro introduces a triple camera setup in which all three lenses, the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, now capture images at 48 megapixels. Previously, only the wide and ultra-wide lenses featured the high-resolution sensor, while the telephoto lens did not. This change is expected to yield significant improvements in image quality and flexibility. In particular, the enhanced sensor configuration may allow for digital sensor cropping without the need for additional physical lenses. For example, a digital crop on the telephoto lens could enable higher levels of zoom, potentially reaching magnification levels of 15, 20, or even 25 times. Such a feature would represent a major leap forward in the photographic capabilities of the Pro iPhones and may justify the redesign of the camera assembly. In addition to photographic improvements, the iPhone 17 Pro is anticipated to offer a substantial upgrade in video performance. Apple has long been recognized for providing some of the best video capabilities in a smartphone. With the introduction of new hardware and advanced features exclusive to the Pro models, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to deliver an exceptional video experience. Enhanced Pro codec functionalities, the ability to record in 4,000 pixels at 120 frames per second, and other improvements are reportedly part of the new package. These features are designed specifically for professionals who require high-quality video recording capabilities, thereby enabling them to forgo traditional, bulkier video equipment in favor of a more portable solution. A notable change on the iPhone 17 Pro concerns the materials used in its construction. Early leaks indicate that the camera visor is fabricated from a new black glass material. In a surprising departure from recent trends, the Pro model is said to feature an aluminum unibody chassis rather than the full glass back that has been typical in recent iterations. Previous Pro models, particularly those released only a few years ago, emphasized the use of titanium. The current design choice to revert to an aluminum construction may indicate a deeper engineering decision or cost consideration. Moreover, this change in material is coupled with a slight increase in the overall thickness of the device. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to be approximately 5% thicker than its predecessors. This modest increase in thickness is intended to accommodate a significantly improved battery that will support the enhanced performance and new features of the device. Another key area of development is the dynamic island, a feature that has been part of the iPhone design for several generations. Rumors suggest that there may be differences in the size of the dynamic island across the various Pro models. Some credible sources now indicate that only the highest tier model, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, may feature a smaller dynamic island, while the standard Pro model is expected to retain its current size. Although these reports are not yet universally confirmed, the possibility of a differentiated dynamic island could further accentuate the divide between the various Pro models. This potential change is noteworthy, as it reflects Apple's ongoing commitment to fine-tuning the user interface and overall design to meet the needs of professionals. A remarkable addition to the iPhone 17 Pro is the rumored reverse wireless charging capability. This feature would allow the phone to serve as a wireless charging pad for other accessories such as AirPods or an Apple Watch when the device is inverted. Reverse wireless charging has been a standard feature on many Android devices for years, yet it has remained absent from the iPhone until now. Although it is not clear whether this functionality has been fully optimized, the inclusion of reverse wireless charging is seen as a valuable asset. It represents another example of Apple drawing inspiration from its competitors while integrating advanced technology into its own ecosystem. In the realm of internal specifications, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to incorporate significant enhancements that support advanced artificial intelligence tasks. One of the most notable upgrades is the increase in random access memory. Reports suggest that the device may come with 12 gigabytes of random access memory, up from the current 8 gigabytes. This increase is critical for handling the more demanding AI applications that Apple has been developing. The additional memory will allow for improved processing of machine learning tasks and enhanced overall performance, ensuring that the device can support both existing and forthcoming intelligent features. The iPhone 17 Pro is also rumored to feature an innovative cooling system that utilizes a vapor chamber. This system, which is a departure from conventional cooling designs, is intended to dissipate heat more efficiently. As the Pro models incorporate increasingly powerful processors and more advanced features, effective thermal management becomes essential to maintain performance and prevent throttling. Beyond the new camera and cooling technologies, the iPhone 17 Pro continues to build on many standard features found in recent models. For instance, the front-facing camera is reported to have received an upgrade from 12 to 24 megapixels, resulting in markedly improved selfies and video calls. Additionally, a new chip that integrates Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionalities is said to be included, which may enhance overall system efficiency and battery life. The display is expected to retain the premium quality of previous Pro models, with OLED technology and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The pricing structure for the iPhone 17 Pro is also set to reflect these substantial upgrades. While the standard Pro models in recent years have maintained a relatively stable price point, there have been long-standing rumors that the Pro models will become more expensive this generation. The base model has not seen significant price adjustments for nearly a decade, but the new features and increased performance of the iPhone 17 Pro suggest that Apple may be setting a new baseline for the cost of its premium devices. This anticipated increase in price is seen as a natural progression given the extensive improvements in design, hardware, and functionality that have been introduced.